How to fix Alipay identity verification failed. If your identity verification failed on Alipay, you have to make sure to select your country correctly and the documents correctly and fill in the required details correctly. The first thing is come to the Accounts tab from the bottom right and tap on your Alipay account name. There you can see your identity information. Here, if you are a resident from another country, make sure to select that country. And as for the document type, you need to have the passport of that country. Yeah, if you're from China, of course, you can have the Chinese, all of the other card from China. Or if you want that, you can see foreign permanent resident ID card as well. You can verify using that. So based on whatever document you have, if you want to scan to fill in automatically, you can have this camera scan the document for you automatically. You can scan the passport, just place it behind your camera and it will scan everything manually. You can have your full name, the passport number, which is your document number for any document that you chose, the gender, the date of birth, and everything quite well. And then after that, you should be able to fill up all of the details to be able to fill in it. But if you're still not being able to verify, then you can try to contact the customer care from the bottom by tapping on Customer Center. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.